Oh my goodness, I'm going to make such a beautiful bride, as you guys can see. Okay, let me just take you through the process of how we achieve this bridal hairstyle. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start by doing like a side part, as you guys can see in the video, and then after that I'll just go ahead and take my Afro comb and I'm going to comb my hair, okay, just to detangle it. And then once I'm done, I will take a mixture of water and leave-in treatment just to spray the hair. I normally do this process because it leaves my hair moisturized, and also it will be easier to work with as the hair will be soft. Okay, so if you're not new here, you know that Sofnfree Gel is my to-go-to styling gel, but like I normally say, you can use any styling gel of your choice. Okay, so after applying it onto the hair, I will again take my Afro comb just to comb the hair. Okay, and then after that I'll go in with my Bristle brush and I'm going to brush the hair down just to smoothen it. Hi loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yanatungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share it to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. Okay love, so right about now I'm just applying some Bamsi Wax, okay, because it has a thick consistency, meaning we're not going to have so many flyaways going on. So personally I use wax after applying the styling gel because I feel like I'll not have so many flyaways going on, because again the wax has got a very thick consistency as opposed to styling gel. Okay love, so this process took me about 3 minutes. Okay, so now that I'm done and I'm satisfied with how my hair is laid down, I'll just go ahead and use my hair scarf and tie the hair. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for about 45 minutes as I do my makeup, and this is me some few minutes later, and as you guys can see, my hair is looking nice and laid down. So the extension that I'm going to use is called Guess Girl and it is by Angel. So you can get this here at any local beauty store near you. Okay, so I'm going to attach it onto my natural hairband and I'm going to grab a piece and use it to secure the hair. Okay, this is very important. Please make sure that you secure your ponytail before you move to the next step. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to give this hairstyle a try, okay, because I feel like it is super affordable and I love the fact that you can get these products at any local beauty store. Okay lovies, so I'm going to be using this hair padding that I made from Donut Barn. Okay, so right about now I'll just go ahead and take the hair padding just like you guys can see in the video, and I'm going to roll the hair. Okay, the extension, I'm going to roll it just like so, and then the next step will be to secure our hair padding using bobby pins. Okay, so make sure you have enough bobby pins for you to secure the hair padding so that it doesn't fall. Okay, help me share this video to your friends and to your family and I will truly appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
Okay, love, so right about now I'm just aligning the extension, okay, so that it can align with the part that we made, okay. And I'm hoping that you have found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And again, if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. So this was basically it for today's video. I just went ahead and added some bridal pins, and that marks the end of our today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now and take care.